Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Origin PC Prime. So friends, the Origin has announced the ultimate ally for gamers, creators and for those who need a premium high-performance experience is thrilled to announce the launch of Prime, a revolutionary mid-tower ATX case designed to elevate performance for elite gamers, content creation, and AI professional, and available in two versions: Millennium with AI cooling and Genius with open-loop cooling for both CPU and GPU. And this system promise unparalleled thermal efficiency and maximum power. So, friends. The Prime is a mid-tower ATS case crafted for elite gamers, featuring Hydro-X open-loop CPU and GPU cooling. Choose your color of coolant and tubing, and Genius ensure unparalleled thermal efficiency for maximum power and reliability. And Millennium offer AIO liquid cooling support, ensuring efficient heat distribution, quieter operation, and peak thermal performance, making it perfect for even the most demanding build with support up to Intel Core Ultra 9 series and AMD Ryzen 9000 series CPU. This powerhouse is built to excel its demanding workload. Its modern, sleek design and complemented by streaking glass front panel and side panel and customizable I/O port placement. Streaking glass front and side panel, customizable I/O port placement, and dynamic RGB lighting, personalized UV printing, and Prime also feature next generation DDR5 memory, expandable storage, delivering unmatched speed, versatility, and style, and Redefine innovation and achieving more with Prime. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.